Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell phone parts. First, gather all your old or broken phones and carefully disassemble them. Sort the components into working and non-working piles, paying close attention to screens, batteries, and cameras. Thoroughly clean each usable part and test its functionality to ensure it meets quality standards. Research current market values for these specific parts to set competitive prices. This initial preparation is crucial for maximizing your profit. Once your parts are ready, it's time to create compelling listings. Capture clear, high-resolution photos from multiple angles, highlighting any imperfections. Write detailed descriptions, including the exact model number, part number, and a precise condition report. Be honest about any wear or damage. Select the best-selling platforms for your items, such as eBay for broader reach or specialized electronics forums for niche components. Consider offering shipping options and return policies to attract more buyers. After a sale, secure packaging is paramount. Use anti-static bags for sensitive electronics and sturdy boxes with ample padding to prevent damage during shipping. Always opt for tracked shipping services to ensure reliable delivery and provide buyers with tracking information promptly. Respond quickly and courteously to any buyer inquiries or issues. Excellent customer service builds trust and encourages repeat business, leading to more positive reviews and a stronger seller reputation. To maximize your profits, consider selling less valuable or slower-moving parts in bulk lots. This can clear inventory faster and attract buyers looking for deals. Always maintain meticulous records of all your sales, expenses, and inventory for tax purposes. This will simplify financial tracking. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals. Staying organized and offering value will help you succeed in selling phone parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.